You can make easy 1,000+ just with 3 bouncers, guys. And not only that, you see anybody? Just me, guys. Just me right now. All right, guys, we're here. Next location. All right. I gotta pee, guys. All right, I can still hold it though. But this one is gonna be easy. All right. So let me see where they want to bounce, guys. All right. Let's do it. Alrighty, guys, we are finally done. Got everything strapped up. We're gonna roll out, and that's it. Now I'm gonna come back for these bounces tomorrow. This is a overnight rental, and yeah, you can hear the kids. They're having fun, guys. So that's it for today. Today is the 30th. Tomorrow we still got some more bookings for Halloween, guys. Some people getting the early Halloween parties. You know, last Saturday we did a Halloween party too. So you know, everybody's doing different Halloween parties. But it's pretty cool, you know, seeing the kids with the costumes, everybody having fun. Now this one right here, guys, got canceled. All right, this right here was a $50 deposit. We are keeping the deposit. Is a non-refundable deposit, guys. So it's $50 right here that we made, you know, got canceled, guys. All right, guys, well, that's it. Time to clock out. We're done. I'm thirsty, I'm hungry, but you know what? I had to do it for the kids, guys. Halloween season, guys. Now, I did go up on the prices, guys, for Halloween. So instead of charging $250 for the bounce house rental, I charge $300 right now, just because a lot of people are doing their Halloween events. So don't be scared, guys. I'm telling you, don't be scared. Anytime there's a big event coming, raise those prices. On 4th of July, guys, I charge double. I charge double for 4th of July. All right, that's when I make the big money, guys. 4th of July. Labor Day and all these other events, that's when you can make more money. All right, so don't be scared to raise those prices, guys. This Halloween I just decided to go up just $50 just because it is kind of slowing down, the business slowing down a little bit. So just wanted to make sure I make just a little extra money. And also with the bundles, I am making a little extra more. So I have 2 Halloween bundles. One is $400, one is $500. The $400 bundle comes with 3 Halloween inflatables and the little decoration. The $500 bundle comes with 6 inflatables, the balloon arch, and all the little decoration. It does take a little bit longer, guys. Trust me, it does take a little bit longer, but you can make that type of money. The Princess Castle got canceled. That was a $500 bundle. The first one that we delivered was a $500 Halloween bundle. So if the Princess Castle would have never got canceled, we would have made easy $1,000 right there. $1,000. Welcome to the club, guys. All right, I'm trying to show you guys how to make your easy $1,000, guys. Easy 1,000. But we didn't make 1,000, all right? Just because the Princess Castle got canceled. Now we did keep the $50 non-refundable deposit, so we did keep that $50, guys. Always let your customer know it's a non-refundable deposit. Whatever you charge for the deposit, $100, whatever. I do have different prices. 4th of July is $100 deposit, but for Halloween I was only charging $50 deposit. So for this one, without the Halloween inflatables, we did charge $300, guys. So total that we made was 5, 6, 7, 8. We made $850, guys. Easy, $850. We was that close to make $1,000+ today, guys. We was close. All right, just because the Princess Castle got canceled, guys. All right, but it's all cool, guys. Stay tuned. Tomorrow I'll be doing some deliveries, guys, and I gotta prep. I gotta go home and prep, all right? Prep, get all the bouncers ready, load them up, and we're gonna repeat this tomorrow, all right? So let's keep grinding, guys. Trying to motivate you guys. You can make easy $1,000+ just with 3 bouncers, guys. All you have to do is add some bundles, add the concession stands, add some little extra stuff to upsell, to make the little extra money, guys. But it doesn't take much, guys. It doesn't take much. All right. And not only that, you see anybody? Just me, guys. Just me right now. All right. I did call 2 guys. I told them, hey, look, y'all want to come to work? I don't mind putting money in your pocket, guys, but you got to come to work. The other guy said he had to go to a Halloween party. The other guy, I ain't hear back from him. But look, I'm telling you guys, I'm trying to put money in people's pockets, guys, but I don't know, guys. Look, it's finna slow down. This business finna slow down, and y'all finna start seeing me do detailing. And with the detailing, I really just don't need anybody by myself, because detailing is more of a detail job. Bouncers is so easy, guys. All right, but that's it, guys. I'm finna leave because I'm still right here at the customer house. But I just wanted to do that video for y'all guys, show you that you can make this type of money. All right, so let's get it. Let's get it, and let's go beast mode. All right, I'm out.